Coinbase files a preliminary appeal to clarify cryptocurrency laws in the US. This is a strategic move in its ongoing fight with the SEC. Legal experts say this could have an effect on Ripple's case, which makes things more important for XRP. Be sure to stay tuned as the crypto world waits for the result. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Let's begin. To begin, the legal fight between Ripple and the SEC, which ends with a major trial on April 23rd, could have a big effect on the price of XRP and the market cap. We're all also looking forward to it. Breaking news: Brian Gallihouse, CEO of Ripple, is still positive about the idea of a spot XRP exchange-traded fund. XRP ETF is going to happen. Update on the XRP White Flame. XRP is making a wicked move, with bulls defending hard on the weekly period to close above 50 cents. This possible lower high is still moving up the channel, which shows a strong structural formation that is still very bullish. There is only one chance to set up and trade this. XRP Army stays the same. You might have just found your chance to buy if you were looking for a deep. In addition to the red line at 0.41 cents, 41 cents was called out as an important mark in earlier posts, and it has turned out to be true. There was a flush out after the recent deep, which many see as a negative sign. However, this could be the best thing that has happened for XRP. What will happen next? We think that the value will go up to $1.20. $1.50, then proof of the breakout above $2, which could lead to gains of 15, 27, or even 55 times. The price of XRP Army stays the same. If you were waiting for a good time to buy, now might be it. As Coinbase questions the second meaning of an investment contract, the company filed an initial appeal with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. This appeal asks the SEC to explain how it understands an investment contract in the context of digital assets. It is being appealed in order to get a core ruling that can be relied on, and that will help shape the rules for cryptocurrency in the US. Bill Morgan, a lawyer who is having a hard time representing XRP activists, said that his lawsuit could also affect a case similar to XRP's programmatic sales. This is because, according to Morgan, such a ruling would improve the SEC's position in its litigation on XRP. The XRP community needs Coinbase to grow. The result of Coinbase's appeal is very important, especially for the XRP community. An SEC decision in support of the Commission's view could confirm what the Commission already said about XRP's programmatic sales. There are disagreements among courts about whether certain digital assets should be considered investment contracts under the Howey test. This is because the Howey test is the measure used to apply as federal securities laws. Before he became an XRP lawyer, Bill Morgan thinks that if Coinbase loses, it will make the CC's case against XRP stronger. Because his thoughts cover the effects of Coinbase's legal approach in general, not just for the business itself, but also for other Bitcoin businesses that want clear rules, regulatory threats, and how the market will respond. The Bitcoin market is alert while Coinbase deals with these regulatory issues. As the exchange tries to set a clear regulatory framework, its problems are also made clear, if not at odds with those of the business as a whole. The law says so. Traders and people who are interested in cryptocurrencies have also started talking about the current legal processes. It's true that they are aware of the possible effects that a final decision on this appeal could have on the whole business. If you look at the big picture, Coinbase and the SEC have very different ideas. This makes them rivals, but it also makes a point that will change how all digital assets are regulated. Predictions about the price of Ripple during the crash. However, XRP had it. After the market went down, Ripple's XRP fell by 20%, but some analysts see this as a chance to buy. Several other optimistic predictions point to a bullish future for the asset, and its value is likely to rise significantly soon. XRP goes down to buy, not to cry. On April 14th, there was a big drop in the value of cryptocurrencies. Their world market capitalization dropped to about $2.4 trillion. XRP from Ripple is one of the big winners this week, going down by 20% to about 48 cents. However, some experts are still not worried and see this as a chance to buy low and sell high. One example is a crypto, a former user who said that XRP goes down when you buy something, not when you cry. According to the experts, Ripple is in a unique position right now, caught between bullish sentiment and bearish pressure several hours before the market dropped. AgroCrypto thinks that the asset has been in a phase of consolidation since August 2023. Calling it a halcyon shape, the experts came to the conclusion to stay steady because XRP is about to take off like a rocket. It was AgroCrypto who spoke out again earlier this week, saying that XRP strikes have made its so-called three strikes, have made its so-called three camel humps. They think that breaking above the big resistance zone at 75 cents could start a bullish trend that would likely lead to a rise to between $1 and $1.30. Zero Data Defender was also positive. He said that XRP had hit a bouncing point and predicted that it would definitely go up in value against Bitcoin very soon. The most optimistic predictions came from the former user Makeable Crypto and the YouTuber with the name DII Investing. Makeable Crypto said that XRP is about to hit $4, and DII Investing said that token's price is about to rise to new autumn highs. It was also asked at ChatGPT if XRP could flip Solana and if Ripple would win its case against the US SEC. The case between Ripple and the SEC, which will include a grand trial on April 23rd, could have a big effect on the price of XRP and the market capitalization. The asset's value growth is also affected by how the market changes and how quickly big banks accept it. While the judge makes a decision, the long legal fight between Ripple and the US SEC will move on to grand trials on April 23rd. These trials are supposed to be the end of the case. People in the industry think that the result of the case could have a big effect on the price of XRP. For example, a clear win for Ripple, which has already won 3 partial court cases, could make the coin more valuable. On the other hand, a loss could slow down the industry's progress and lead to the use of unfair rules. The question we wanted to ask ChatGPT was whether XRP could beat Solana, Sol, and become the 5th largest cryptocurrency if Ripple wins. As expected, the chatbot thought that its factor would have the most impact on the future price of the product. There could be a big shift in positive feelings towards Ripple if they win the case. If they win, there might be less regulatory uncertainty for XRP. This could boost investor trust and bring in a lot of money. You should also think about how the market will behave and how big financial companies will be involved. ChatGPT says that XRP can flip Solana if major institutions accept it more, which can help its market cap grow. ChatGPT came to the conclusion that market dynamics in cryptocurrency are very unstable and are affected by many unpredictable factors, such as new technologies, market trends, investor mood, and macroeconomic factors. Here are the most recent events in the case. As both Ripple and the US SEC need to follow the court's rules before the trial starts, the regulator just recently sent in his brief on remedies, and the firm's supposition letter should arrive no later than April 22nd. The groups also put in joint motions asking the authority to approve rules for sealing issues connected to the upcoming briefing about remedies. Also, it's important to remember that just because the hearing started doesn't mean the case will be over soon. There you have it for today's movie. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and have a nice day.